Hi everyone, today's recipe is oat cookies. These are one of my favourites, and when the children make them at school they often ask for the recipe so they can make them at home. They're a lovely chewy cookie with lots of oats in, which is good for you. It's a complex carbohydrate, which means that it's high in fibre and gives you slow release energy, so energy that will last you all day. Fibre is quite difficult for the body to break down, so as it does, it gives you a little bit of energy each time. There's also sugar in here, which gives you an energy burst. So these are quite a good snack to make, perhaps if you're going on a walk or a family bike ride, or something that you just want as a mid-morning treat. Today I'm using sultanas, but you could, if you wanted to make them really luxurious, use chocolate chips. But sultanas are good for you. They've got more fibre and they've got lots of vitamins in there. The one thing you do need to be careful of is measuring out your bicarbonate of soda and your baking powder. It's 1/4 teaspoon. If you put too much in, it will ruin your cookies, so just make sure you measure it out accurately. If you don't have any bicarbonate of soda, just miss it out. It might mean your cookies aren't quite as chewy, but they'll still be delicious. If you don't have any baking powder, you could swap the plain flour for self-raising flour, which is plain flour and baking powder mixed together, so you could make it with that instead. So these are the cookies that you're going to be making. My son helped me make the video today, and as you can see, we did make 12. There's not quite 12 left already. So enjoy it. Please remember to send me the photographs and keep cooking. Take care, bye.